And at this side, yung pa din, yung kanyang bathroom for the ground floor. So included na even shower enclosure, yung ating lavatory, the mirror, shower head.
Every model unit comes with a bedroom on the ground floor, right?
Yes, sir. Tama pa.
So again, you could really make parang ano dito?
Guest room. Pwede. Or for the parents, yung mga ayaw na umakyat, they can use this one. Then,
for the senior citizen, di ba?
Opo. Then meron din tayong storage din dito na napaka-spacious din. Yes,
so as we move forward sa upstairs, no, sa second floor.
Yeah. Same with the Julieta, sir. Meron din tayong mga striplets sa ating stairs.
So dito sa hallway, it comes also with the full glass mirror na again, kasama na and
natin. Pwede ka mag-OOTD dito ulit bago ka lumabas. Kita mo yung buong outfit mo kung bakit.
And yung mga mirror talaga are very helpful to make it more spacious na tignan, di ba?
Yes.
Again, I am really excited with the master's bedroom.
Yes, Sir Alan. So ito yung mapapansin mo, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na full glass design. So para kami patagaytay view dito.
Oh, nice.
Parang panoramic view mo. Parang kitang-kita mo. Lalo na maganda to pag in the morning. Pag nagko-coffee ka or gusto mo nagbabasa-basa ka, pwede ka dito. You can have a peace of mind. You can relax, chill, whatever you want to do.
Yes. Ayun, napaka-aesthetic talaga ng vibes ng mga bahay dito ng Sir Johnny.
Yes, Sir Alan. Then also, meron din siyang storage sa headboard. Yeah. Then, his and her cabinets, yung mga ating pin lights, ganyan na siya.
Since this is again a master's bedroom, so you have your own toilet and bathroom here. So, kasama na din yung shower enclosure, lahat. Everything is already included.